Good morning, fam. We're going to the dealership because my cousin just got a new Camry. Let's go check it out. I'll catch. Tune in when we're there.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
What's up, guys? We're at the Toyota dealership. I think let's go inside.
Really? I want to go inside?
Okay, I'll go call him. Go call my cousin. Jesus, you not go, homie? Alright, we're here at Toyota's ship. Let's see my cousin's car. Let's see what she got, guys. That one's dope. Yeah. Alright, stay tuned. I'll hit you guys up when I see the car. Well, guys, we have bad news. My cousin still's not getting the car. It was getting waxed when we got there, so I'm just gonna record it for you guys when it gets to the house because it's a long process still, and I wasn't gonna wait. I'm a very impatient person, so I'll keep you guys tuned. Once it gets to the house, I'll get the perfect vlog for you guys. Watch.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? Well, the car's about to pull up. I'm about to show you guys. Homie, you ready?
Yeah.
Yep, let's just see how it look. There it is. It's pulling up. Look. That's it. Woo! Damn! Ooh, sexy. Hey. That shit go. Look at, she's parking in between both cars. That's tight. Ooh.
4 to 6 months, same as cash, and get free same-day delivery.
Damn, I gotta say congrats to my cousin.
Hey, what has a brake on this? Oh.
This way, right there, like the Honda. Oh. Open the back door, homie.
The parking.
You like the blue pearl?
It should be separate. The brake.
Damn, full red interior. Hey. It's a Toyota Camry XSE. You know, Extreme Sports Edition. Check out the rims. Damn. There, you got it.
Can you press it?
It's like the Honda. And we have to teach her how to use her new car already.
It's high-tech? Way too high-tech.
Damn. Guys, I'm the one that told her to get this one, so thanks to me. I don't know, she didn't take your car.
I know.
Look at, I'm the one that told her to get this car, guys, by the way. Hey, check it out.
I messed up my window already. I need to get it right.
Damn.
Look at, I freaking ruined it. You fully cleaned it. Huh? They didn't fully clean it. They didn't fully what? It's still wet. I know. They
The windows, hello. It's just a quick wash.
Yeah.
Damn, are you happy, Nancy?
Supposedly they waxed it.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Damn, check this out. Does it run smooth?
Yeah, it has a little pool though.
That's good. It has horsepower. Alright, guys. Well,
Jesus Christ.
this is it right here. I don't know. But yeah. I hope you guys like it. Please like my video, subscribe, comment, anything you guys could do. We'll be grateful. Thank you. Peace out. Kai, what are we doing? Say toy review. You need help? Say mom help.
You can do it right here.
Let me help. Here, Kai. Kai, right here.
Oh, it's kind of on fire.
Go, Crystal.
In
the chair?
No, you have to wait.
I already did. She said I'm doing toy review.
We're all like,
Pull it out. Otra. Woo. Okay. We're going to pull this one out. Here you go. Otra. There you go. Now pull this one out. Take it out. Take this one out. Oh. There you go. This one. Here. Woo!
Yay!
Now these. Let me put them right here. Kai, look who it is. I'm having difficulties. I'm trying to focus. We'll leave this to later because it's stuck. Okay,
Technical difficulties with that
let's
toy.
open this one, Kai. Who's that, Kai? And you gotta pay, Crystal. What? Oh, that's a kid. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. Who's this, Kai? Kai, who's this? Who is it? Yeah. Snow White! Really? They put it in two separate sides? Kai, they're making it difficult for us? Say yeah.
And who's that? That's Dopey.
Who's this, Kai? Who's that? That looks like the bulldog, my mascot from elementary. Elementary. Kai, say to the camera, yo, check it, camera.
Check it, Grandma.
Grandma. Who's that? Who's that? Say, that's Shiloh. Who's that? Clyde. We lost one. Found it. Look, Clyde. Wow.
Find it cool. And a patch.
This one won't come out, guys. How do you open this?
You like your toys?
Oh, I'm supposed to pop it.
Oh, pop it. Pop it on Kai.
All the things came out. I'll put it there. Put it on my mouth. Okay.
So these are the features that you get on pretty much the cheapest 2-liter turbo Q50 that you can buy.
It's okay like that.
Which is
Foggy.
a lot more convenient.
Ready, Kai?
So it's
Kai, ready?
definitely nice. This one doesn't even have navigation, as you can see.
Where is that, Mommy?
And epic fail.
What the heck?
Stripped down.
Woo! Kai! What happened? This thing.
It feels nicely weighted. It's better. In my opinion, I don't believe this doesn't have the electronic variable steering system, the electronic steering that drive-by-wire that they have.
Oh, hell no!
Did you get that, Kai? Wow!
You popped it.
37S.
What is it? It's a princess?
I'm scared of you.
So you need to go side to side
You can stand it?
on the highway.
You gonna play with your toys?
Stay, you're
Aquí está. ¿Quieres picar el aguacate que está lo molido?
the steering
Molido. Molido.
Molido.
to the cars.
Kai, you spaghetti? Best friend?
Salsa now.
Yes?
It's one thing I noticed as far as the 2-liter turbo engine.
Mom,
It has really decent power
Mom.
for its size. something like a like my car.
My toys, Kai.
Shut it.